Morning. We are doing exercise 2.5 class 8. Okay. Simplify and solve the following linear equations. Question number 1. 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t. 5 into 2t plus 1. Number 2. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Number 3. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Number 4. 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. So these are the questions. Okay, let me solve one by one. Question number 1, solution. How to solve, you see very carefully. Okay, it is given 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Okay, so how to solve? First multiply 3 into t, 3t, plus into minus, minus 3 3 is 9 equal to 5 2 is 10t, plus into plus, plus 5 1 is 5. Now all the variable, that means term containing t, you bring the left side. 3t, this is plus, if you bring the left side it will become minus 10t. 5, 9 is negative in the left hand side, if you transfer to the right it will become positive. 10t minus 3t is your 7t. This is greater, 10 is greater, so minus. 15 plus 9 is your 14. Okay, implies t equal to 14 by minus 7. Cancel 7 to the 14, implies t equal to minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, number 1. To question number 2. Okay, to question number 2, solution. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 equal to 0. Multiply 15 into y, 15y plus into minus, minus 15 4 is 60, minus into plus, minus 2 into y, 2y, minus into minus, plus 2 9 is 18, plus 5 into y, 5y, plus into plus, plus 5 6 is 30 equal to 0. Now arrange y and constant. 15y, this is plus 5y, plus 5y minus 2y, then constant term, minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 equal to 0. 15 plus 5y is your 20y minus 2y minus 60. 18 plus 30 you add, 8 plus 0 8, 1 plus 3 4, both are positive, so plus equal to 0. Then 20 minus 2 is your 18y, 20 is greater and positive, so it will become positive. 60 minus 40, from 60 you subtract 48, take one 10, 10 minus 8 is your 2, here remain 5, 5 minus 4 is your 1, 60 is greater, so negative sign. Okay, then next step, y equal to, sorry, 18y equal to, this is minus, we transfer to the right, being positive 12, implies y equal to 12 by 18. Cancel it by 6, 6 to the 12, 6 3 is 18. Okay, so implies y equal to 2 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now solution to question number 3. Solution. Question number 3 like this: 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 equal to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 17. Okay, this is the question, same as before. You solve. First you multiply 3 5s are 15z plus into minus minus 3 7s are 21 minus into plus minus 2 9s are 18z minus into minus plus 2 into 11 22 equal to 4 8s are 32z plus into minus 4 3s are 12 2 in and 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, so 52 minus 17. 15, look, z. Okay, let me arrange. 15z, this is minus 18z, then minus 21 plus 22 equal to 32z. Both are negative, minus 52 and minus 17, so directly you can add minus 2 plus 7 9, 5 plus 1 6. 18 is negative, 15 is positive, subtract. If one is negative, other positive, you to subtract. 18 minus 15 is your 3z. 18 is greater, so negative sign. 22 minus 21 is your 1. 22 is greater, so plus 1 equal to 32z minus 69. But to find the value of z, so being z in the left hand side, constant term you transfer to the right. So minus 3z, z 32z is positive on the right hand side. If you bring the left hand side, it will become negative 32z equal to minus 69. This one is positive in the left hand side. If you transfer to the right, it will become negative. 32 plus 3, it is 35z. Both are negative, so negative sign will remain, equal to 69 plus 1 70. Both are negative, so negative sign will remain. Negative cancel from both the sides. Z equal to 70 by 35. Okay, 35 to the 70, so z equal to 2. This is the answer. Alright, so today's last question, question number 4. Okay, solution to question number 4. Solution 0.25, that is, okay, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Look, very simple. After point to figure, directly you can remove the point. Okay, after point to figure, no, so directly you can remove. So 25 you write into 4f minus 3. Here 0 to meaningless, you don't write. So 5 into 10f minus 9 you can write. Okay, clear now? Again let me tell you, again let me explain. After point 2 figure 2 digit here also after point 2 digit, so directly you can remove point 25, and this is 0 0 non right, 5 right. Okay, then you multiply 25 for the 100f plus into minus 3 5 the 15, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 75 equal to 5 10 the 50f plus into minus 5 9 the 45. Alright, f is in the left side, constant term you transfer to the right side. Sorry, 100f So 100 f, this is positive on the right hand side. If you bring the left hand side, it will become negative 50 f equal to minus 45. This 75 is negative in the left hand side. If you transfer to the right, it will become plus 75. Okay, 100 minus 50 is your 50 f equal to 75 minus 45. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 4 3. This is greater as a positive. If one is positive, other negative, we have to subtract always. Okay, so f equal to 30 by 15. This 0 cancel, so what remain? F equal to 3 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, this is the last question.